We now offer a suite of Enphase-branded EV chargers built using the reliable and rugged platform of ClipperCreek. Let's talk about why an installer who is currently selling Enphase solar and battery systems should sell Enphase EV chargers. Enphase can be your single source for solar, battery storage, monitoring, and now EV chargers. This will simplify purchasing and support for your business. Additionally, your customers will appreciate getting a complete system from one manufacturer, with all components designed to work together, and customer support and warranty from one company, Enphase Energy. Before Enphase acquired ClipperCreek, they had deployed more charging technology than any North American competitor, and earned a reputation as the gold standard in the industry for quality, service, and reliability. Our chargers are simple to install, as there is no commissioning required. Simply plug them in or connect the wiring and the charger is ready to use. With the J1772 connector type, Enphase EV chargers are compatible with all EVs on the market today. Some EVs may require an adapter. Enphase EV chargers come in a wide range of power, including a 19.2 kilowatt high power charger ideal for commercial fleets. Our popular HCS line of EV chargers has an industry-leading 5-year warranty. All our chargers are safety certified and listed by a nationally recognized testing laboratory such as UL and Intertek. They all come with a standard 25-foot rugged output cable, which is the maximum length allowed. This is valued by customers because it allows more flexibility for the location of the charger, and may allow the same charger to more easily be used to charge more than one vehicle without moving cars around. And all our chargers have NEMA 4 fully sealed enclosures, so they can be installed indoors or outdoors without needing any protection from the elements. Enphase offers 3 different charger types with a wide range of charge power. The mobile EV charger plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet and charges at 1.44 kilowatts. Our popular HCS series is available in 4 different charge power ratings, from 7.68 kilowatts to 15.36 kilowatts. The CS100 is our most powerful charger at 19.2 kilowatts. The higher the output power, the faster the charger can recharge an EV battery. When selecting an EV model and charge power, it's important to be aware of external factors that may limit the power of the EV charger, such as the main electric panel's capacity for additional loads or the wire gauge of an existing circuit. The HCS series is Enphase's best-selling EV charger and is ideal for either residential or commercial EV charging. It's compatible with all EVs with its J1772 charging connector. Enphase HCS chargers have a 5-year limited warranty, an improvement over the previously offered 3-year warranty. They have a 25-foot rugged charging cable, which is helpful when trying to reach EV charge ports a little far away. They have UL and ETL safety listings, as well as Energy Star. The NEMA 4 enclosure rating allows it to be installed outdoors even without shade protection. They have a wide operating temperature range of -22 Fahrenheit to 122 Fahrenheit. Cable management is easy with a built-in saddle for wrapping up the cable or with the included wall-mounted cable holster. It's available in 4 different models with charge power between 7.6 kilowatts and 15.3 kilowatts, so you can find a perfect match for the EV's acceptance rate. At 15.3 kilowatts, the HCS 80 can charge an EV at 10 times the rate of a typical level 1 trickle charger, the type that usually comes with an EV. All Enphase HCS chargers have a rugged cable and crush-resistant charging connector, able to stand up to years of heavy use while exposed to the elements. All models are available in a hardwired option. The HCS 40 and HCS 50 are also available with plug-in options. Plugs are often desirable for residential installations where an existing receptacle will be used, or to have the option to easily remove the charger to take with you on a trip. They are compatible with either 208 volt or 240 volt power. The charger connector is an SAE J1772, which is compatible with all EVs on the market today. Some EVs like Tesla's use a different connector but provide an adapter to allow charging with the J1772 connector. All chargers have an automatic circuit recloser feature to get the EV charger back online after minor power faults. HCS chargers are also available with options to allow for access control and third-party load management. The HCS series has some optional features which must be specified at the time of purchase, which enable access control and load management. At many commercial EV charging stations, the ability of the owner to control who can use the EV charger is necessary. We offer two solutions for access control. First, we have ChargeGuard, a simple and reliable method of controlling access which uses a physical key which is inserted into the body of the EV charger to make it ready for charging. Next, we have ChargeGuard EX, which is a digital access control solution. It's a simple interface to connect an HCS EV charger to an existing building access control or other third-party access control system. A typical example would be a hotel keycard reader connected to the interface so that guests could use their hotel room keycard to access charging. When there is a need to maximize the number of charging connectors available at a given site, we offer the Share 2 feature. Share 2 allows two HCS EV chargers to be powered by a single circuit breaker. It offers full power charging for one vehicle or 50-50 split power charging for two vehicles. Share 2 provides excellent value for our commercial customers. More fleet operators are converting to electric, and businesses are recognizing the many benefits of offering workplace charging as the number of plug-in vehicle makes and models increases. While Level 2 charging stations and electricity costs are relatively low, electrical infrastructure upgrades can be substantial, however. Share 2 allows a business to inexpensively double the number of charging stations at their facility because they share the same circuit. The Share 2 feature requires an HCS EV charger with the Cosmos interface. When more advanced control of an EV charger is required, we offer the Cosmos feature, an optional access point which can be connected to a third-party load management, monitoring, and control system. The owner, with their load management system, can then verify energy usage, optimize energy efficiency, and promote energy conservation. Through Cosmos, the power output of the charger can be adjusted in increments of 25%. The power output could be adjusted to be 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% of the full power rating. Please note that these optional features must be specified at the time of purchase. These features can't be added on to existing HCS chargers at a later time. We also offer the HCS Dual EV Charger, which has two cables to allow for charging two electric vehicles with a single station and one electrical circuit. This makes it possible to increase the number of charging cables at a given site without expensive upgrades to the electrical infrastructure. It can charge a single vehicle at 100% power or two vehicles at 50% power each. It comes in two charge powers, 32 amps or 40 amps. On a 240 volt circuit, that would be either 7.68 kilowatts or 9.6 kilowatts. Like all the HCS series, it comes with rugged cables and crush-resistant J1772 connectors for maximum durability. It's compatible with 208 volt or 240 volt power. It comes in both hardwired and plug-in options. The target markets of the dual charger are homes with multiple EVs, multifamily properties, and workplaces. The portable, easy-to-use Enphase mobile EV charger allows users to take their EV charging with them on the road. No installation is required as the charger simply plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet and charges at level 1 speeds, adding about 2 to 5 miles of range per hour of charging. It's lightweight and compact and includes a 25-foot-long charge cable with a J1772 connector to charge any EV on the market. With its NEMA 4 enclosure, the mobile EV charger is suitable for both indoor and outdoor charging. It's safety certified by ETL and has a 3-year warranty. It's designed with an emphasis on safety and durability. The target market are homes, workplaces, or airports where customers can leave the vehicle charging for longer periods. As the number of medium-duty EVs like delivery trucks and pickup trucks with large batteries increases, so does the need for high-speed Level 2 charging. The CS100 EV Charger is ideal for such applications. It has a charge power of 80 amps or 19.2 kilowatts at 240 volts. Like the HCS series, it has a rugged cable, J1772 connector, and is compatible with 208 volt or 240 volt power. The J1772 connector is lockable for easy access control. The CS100 must be hardwired due to the high power output. If control of the charger is needed, there is a flexible external control input feature built into the CS100, which allows external control from some smart meters or billing or load management device. In the event of a minor power fault, the built-in automatic circuit reclosure timer will continually check conditions and begin charging again as soon as possible. It also has a cold loads pickup feature, which is time-delayed and randomized to allow seamless re-energizing of the unit following power outages. An advantage of the CS100 for high-use commercial charging stations is field serviceability. If the cable or connector gets damaged, it's field replaceable. The same is true of the internal circuit board. This allows the owner to quickly and easily get the CS100 back online rather than shipping it off for repair. You might be wondering when to get an EV charger with a plug versus hardwired. Plug-in models make it easier to remove a charger, which is helpful if the owner wants to take the charger with them on the road. It's also common for homeowners to have an existing receptacle in their garage from an old appliance or welder. The supply cable of plug-in models is 12 inches long, the longest allowed per NEC. Plug-in models are available for the HCS 40 and HCS 50. Hardwired models come with a 3-foot-long flexible conduit with wires, and they must be hardwired into an electrical box. They're a better choice if the power supply connection is exterior, as a sealed junction box is more weather resistant than a plug. All HCS and CS models are available in the hardwired option. Here we have the two types of plugs available with select models of the HCS series. The HCS 40 and 50 are available with a NEMA 1450 plug with a maximum current of 50 amps. This outlet type is common for electric ovens, dryers, and RV parks. The HCS 50 is also available with a NEMA 650 plug, also with a maximum current of 50 amps. This outlet type is commonly used for welders or plasma cutters. EV charger models which are not shown here are available only in the hardwired option. We are in the process of developing a new networked charger, which will be named the Enphase IQ EV Charger. We anticipate availability of the IQ EV Charger in Q2 of 2023. It will fully integrate into the Enphase energy system with IQ microinverters, IQ batteries, and IQ load controller. Monitoring and control of the charger is enabled with the Enphase app, the same app used for monitoring solar PV and batteries. With the IQ EV Charger, the owner can turn on green charging mode, which will use excess solar power to charge the EV. The charge power will automatically adjust to the amount of excess solar power available at that moment. From the Enphase app, the owner will have useful information about EV charging, such as miles of range added to the car, charging cost, and green charging data.